Connectra, a platform where we're uniting and uplifting all the businesses of the Gen community. Today, we are joined by the powerhouse duo behind Creative Eye Entertainment, wedding planners, former choreographers, and the go-to team for couples looking to tie the knot in style. So let's gear up as we find out everything from Sangeet rehearsals to our moments. Let's welcome Rachi and Chakshu. Hi. What's up?
Thank you for getting us on Connectra.
Yeah.
Really excited to have this.
Excited for it. So let's begin.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's rewind to the beginning. How did you both get started in choreography and then eventually transition into wedding planning?
So basically, it was very different for both of us. As Rachidi, before she was into choreography and events, way back then I was. And I was that time in college pursuing my Indian classical, plus having a platform where I used to do events and dance festivals. And a little bit Sangeet here and there. So we both started very differently. But then a very good friend of mine was a brother of Rachidi. So they both happened to make us meet, and that's when we started, and that's when we clicked. So we started with RM events before, and then eventually to Creative Eye.
So were your partners even as choreographers?
No, not from the start, because I was already doing choreography and she was already doing choreography, her part, plus events and everything. But as she said, when we met through my brother and all, that time, we started off. Gradually, we became partners in choreography, then became partners in events, and that's how it started all about. And बोलते ना कि बहुत रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन है जहाँ पे आपको कोरियोग्राफर्स एंड इवेंट प्लानर्स दोनों एक ही रूफ के नीचे मिलेंगे ना both partners doing both the thing. It's very rare. So that's how, the first thing it clicked us is the choreography and then the event planning. So, and I think we did a first wedding in 2018.
Yeah.
That was the first wedding which we did in NSCI club.
Yeah.
Before that, of course, baby showers and all that, we were doing it only. So that was under RM events that she said.
And how we blended was she was already into events. She had her experience.
Correct.
And I came in with a very new mindset.
Yeah, that's the thing.
into the so we clicked very well. मतलब we knew all the experience we have, नया mindset, creativity, सब कुछ आ गया.
And then there was no looking back.
Blended really well.
Yeah.
So give us a brief about your company, Creative Eye Entertainment.
So, Creative Eye, the name itself is us.
Yeah.
So creative, that's my name. Rachi is it's good to me. Yeah, it's Creative Eye. Creative and Chakshu means eyes. So that's how we came up with the name, which represents both of us. And of course, event Creative Eye is like a heart and soul for us. बोलते ना कि हमारे लिए the work was more of passion, then the money, and then the career thing. जब आप अपना पूरा passion डाल देते हो ना अपने काम में,
So basically,
it's
it's
like
heart and soul into the
correct.
wedding industry. That is why we are always sold out with our clients. They're like, आप घर जैसे ही लगते हो. हमको लग ही नहीं रहा है कि आप कोई बाहर वाले आके हमारी wedding plan करें. So we become a part of the family when we start there.
Right.
5 minutes into the podcast, मुझे भी अब घर जैसे so
We'll always make you feel comfortable.
So women have clearly started taking a lead in the wedding industry. Do you think people are able to accept this kind of shift?
So there is 50-50. It's
Yeah.
not like completely people accepting, there were time when we were doing the decor part also. There were few vendors who would not even,
Listen to
Listen
us.
to
So
us.
basically the labor class. So since they come from a little backward community,
Correct.
if we know. So what happens is they're like a मेन साहब ने बोला हमने सुना. They're like a लड़की कैसे मेरे को order दे.
That's
You know,
the thing,
that
male
is-
chauvinists you talk about.
Yeah.
So those men mindset were there. So
Yeah.
we had a struggle, regarding, like a woman working. But I'm telling you, the woman entrepreneur right now is going way strong, and it's going to be everybody is going to treat each other equally.
Equally.
होने ही वाला है. But some mindset are going to be that way.
Yeah.
You cannot change that.
And especially back then, I think we were young when we started wedding.
Correct.
So जब हम uncles and clients को मिलते थे कहते आप लोग कर लोगे बेटा आप
हाँ,
लोग कर लोगे बेटा
हाँ.
मैंने uncle आप मत टेंशन लो हम कर लेंगे वैसे.
So that confidence we had,
Yeah.
to giving our client के अब टेंशन मत लो हम कर लेंगे अब डोंट वरी डोंट सी कि हम लड़कियां नहीं कर सकती
Yeah.
we will do it
And we're very young
our
also.
work showed them
Yeah.
okay,
Work speaks for itself
Yeah.
at the end of the
so
day.
now it's been
It's
8
a
years
sense of reference basically.
yeah
So
correct
So why do we need wedding planners in the first place?
Of course you need. आप सिर्फ Pinterest वाले को दिखा दोगे और ये खुद कर लोगे तो ऐसा नहीं होने वाला.
So it's not
Yeah.
like, you know, तो पहले के जमाने में ऐसा होता था कि
हाँ.
फूफा ने ये कर लिया, मासा ने ये कर लिया, मासी ने ये कर लिया. Nowadays, like right from shopping also we help them
Correct.
into the wedding planning because nowadays weddings are very elaborate. पहले जैसा नहीं है कि मतलब चल के आ गए बस शादी कर ली,
हाँ.
वरमाला में कुछ नहीं, सब लोग एक दूसरे को उठा के मजा कर रहे
That
हैं.
was the trend. That was
So,
the trend.
yeah, so अभी entries इतनी elaborate होती है. People want royal entries with lots of तामझाम, props, dancers, everything. So ये सब चीजों में we come
Correct.
we step in
Correct.
and we try to balance everything.
So basically to make their load also come, इतना less करने के लिए आप आराम करो, हम आपका काम करेंगे. That's the thing.
So अपनी शादी में वो खुद guest हो जाते
Guest
हैं.
हो जाते हैं.
Perfect nowadays. You
Correct.
feel like चलता रहता है.
Yeah.
Everyone wants perfection, especially our brides. We love our brides because they are always like नहीं हमको चीजें perfect चाहिए and we
Correct.
love that part.
Yeah. They're so focused कि I want to do this to means this. पहले वो minimal वाला miss वो भी होगा, maximum वाला भी होगा. इतना भी करना. There are minimalist bride also and the
Yeah.
maximum one also.
True.
So we love our brides, you know, because they have their own mindset clear. Nowadays सब clear है. पहले टाइम में ऐसा नहीं करता था. Bride को हाँ तुम family वाले.
वो तो जो पापा ने बोला
पापा ने
वो
बोला वो
करेंगे.
अभी हमारा ऐसा सिस्टम ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
So definitely you need event planning.
Goes without saying.
So what does your wedding planning process looks like? You know, from the first call to the final bride, what's your workflow like?
So when our clients first call us, we have our first meeting. We take the details के आपके क्या क्या events हैं. Accordingly, we create a PPT in which there's a creative flowing and things in that. So once we present them in the meeting, we have our budgets in mind. We give them the budgets, and once that's okay, we start the wedding process. It mostly takes 6 months prior. You
Yeah.
have to book a wedding planner.
Correct.
Yes.
6 months. In fact,
It's a
nowadays तो ऐसा हो गया कि 1 year पहले हमको कॉल आ जाता है.
yeah.
दिसंबर वेडिंग में हम यहाँ पे जैन में वेडिंग कर रहे हैं एंड वी गेटिंग कॉल नेवर दिसंबर वेडिंग.
Yeah.
आप एक महीना और रुक जाओ, आपके साथ मीटिंग करेंगे. फिर लेट दिस इज
Yeah.
देन नो आप हमको मिलो, देन बुक हो जाओगे. सो दैट्स द थिंग बिकॉज़ इवेंट प्लानर आफ्टर द वेन्यू पीपल कॉल इवेंट प्लानर. सो नाउअडेज ऐसा हो गया ना 1 year पहले 11 months पहले इसके कॉल्स आने लग जाते हैं फॉर नेक्स्ट सीजन.
Yeah.
दैट इज फॉर श्योर.
And
The
we have to
planning-
book the artists
Correct.
and all in line because nowadays there are limited wedding dates and all the artists get booked. So booking a photographer to a decor to a artist and the whole process. So that is why 6 months is an app. So that's how we go. We set a calendar for our clients that ये डेट के पहले आपका ये चीज बुक होना चाहिए. ये डेट so that last month they don't have any hassle.
Right.
No panic attacks, no stress, nothing.
Yeah.
So it's a easy flow.
Pre-planning is important. Yeah, very very important. So 6 months prior to we have to do only. I'm telling you.
But nowadays they do.
Yes.
So did you guys ever have like a creative disagreement with maybe your clients or between yourselves that turned into something really good unexpectedly?
Yeah, we always have it in almost all events. We are like, अरे राशि की ये करते हैं, she's like, अरे
अरे
नहीं,
ये
ये
क्या
अच्छा
है?
है. So we do have that. So that's when a team steps in. हम सबका third opinion लेते हैं and whoever wins wins. Like,
Correct.
With clients, is it always flowing smoothly?
No.
Not at all. I think our brides sometimes, you know, we had one bride who she didn't want like anything. She didn't want even a Bollywood song for her entry.
Yeah.
So we tried to convince her so much, but she was like, no.
In the meeting, literally, the bride, father, parents, her brother, they all are fighting amongst themselves. Parents are like, please, कुछ तो करो. हम भी मन में बोले कुछ तो कर लो.
And we were like, क्या करें?
आपके लिए कर लो, मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना.
मेरी शादी है ना पापा, आपकी शादी थोड़ी है. She was like that. So then we agreed to her, and so we did play instrumental Kurmahi on her bridal.
Correct. But in a simple way also we tried, and she was very happy at the end because we tried to get this minimalistic also in that, so that it looks very nice and because it's an open venue and all of that.
Yeah.
So then at the end she was happy, then we are happy.
And somewhere it was a mix, like Kurmahi pe even the crowd could connect. She was happy that it's an instrumental thing. And she
Getting
had
a bridesmaid also along with
Yeah.
that. That was also a thing which we did. So the creative disagreement happens between us also, between the client also. But somewhere middle ground I happen.
Yeah. We try to explain our things.
So how do you manage client expectations, especially with Pinterest coming in and Instagram coming in, how does it meet the real world expectations?
अरे क्लाइंट तो मतलब बताएंगे हमको उसका एंट्री करना है, हमको हाथ ऊपर वाला करना है. Yeah, please make your own brand. We always try to pitch the clients for better entries, for different and simple में कुछ different करके try करें. Yeah, whatever entries whichever is new right now, we try to pitch them कि ये कर सकते हैं. We never say no, but we कर सकते हैं. But try करो कि set your own trademark.
Yeah.
Right? Let's not copy what happening, but कुछ अलग करो. But at the end, they
Yeah.
want to do this, they want to do this.
But then Pinterest is a good platform,
Yeah.
we must say that for
We have a lot of
small
ideas, no
businesses.
doubt.
And we actually can replicate everything from Pinterest nowadays.
Especially the decor part.
In the decor part especially. And that's when like our vision is going through Pinterest. लोग देख सकते हैं हाँ ये अलग करना है तो Pinterest में बता दो. Now this ChatGPT, we have our designs in mind. ChatGPT makes the perfect background. So we are so happy that the client can imagine what we are imagining.
Correct.
So that's when it's good. Technology आई है, but that's on a positive note.
Positive note. Correct.
It's very clear कि यही बनने वाला है. Let's imagine it.
Yeah.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So working together as partners, how do you divide roles and still keep the creativity flowing?
Yeah. So, हाँ.
Yeah, so we have like a lot of expertise to do. So Rashidi is on the creative mindset,
The decor.
the decor, production and everything. So कभी भी decor का कुछ होता है ना Rashidi आप देख लो. And when it comes to technicality, I love the tech world. So that is why lights, LED और ये सब sound and all these comes when I do it. And forming the team. So basically Rashidi is good. मतलब कुछ भी बोलेंगे Rashidi ये ढूंढना है. तो she will be on 100 calls. Like हाँ ये अच्छा है ये अच्छा है ये
I
अच्छा है.
will somehow get the connection. मैं कितना भी निकाल के लाऊंगी
Yeah.
all of that. So she
She'll
always
call
give it to
me.
me.
हाँ.
And then the rest, she handles the back end. But हमेशा client को payment लेने के लिए she will push me.
अरे Rashidi आप फोन करो.
तू हमेशा मेरे को ऐसे करती है. So this is always there. But we are good in overall also. It's just that we are divided. We have what expertise we are into, so we divide our things so that it's easier for us as well. कि सबको सब कुछ नहीं करना है. Even for the team, our team knows everything. But at least we have given them our own
Specific
department which they only have to handle. वैसा.
Yeah. And we have a brainstorm sessions
Correct.
when our team and us sit together for creativity because while hustling we can't really have a creative
Right,
mindset.
right.
So that's why
This
we
is the
have
time we generally
we do our R&D,
R&D,
go
yeah.
into creativity when it's our off season and we try to give in something unique and nice every season.
Yeah. Coming to payments, what is the scope for event planners?
It's a very good scope, you can say.
good.
Yeah.
Let's go.
But जो लोग बोलते हैं
on your face.
बट जो लोग बोलते हैं इवेंट वाले तो मतलब छापते हैं बहुत ज्यादा
इतना भी नहीं है.
इतना भी नहीं there is a lot of
But there's a lot of मेहनत. There's a lot of मेहनत. आप सोचो ना 8 months पहले हमको बुक करो तो हमारा काम 8 months पहले से शुरू हो ही जाएगा.
Yeah.
So we have
And
I'm
we
going
have
with the client also for menu selection. We talk about decoration, everything. We go with our clients so that because decor में idea we have a lot of things. तो client को first time है, they don't know. So we always help them. In fact, वो नहीं भी बोलते सामने से बोल. If you want anything, we'll definitely come with you. So
Yeah.
that's how it goes.
and all the clients have this one thing बेटा मैनेजमेंट में कुछ
हाँ.
बेटा मैनेजमेंट में कुछ
भाई हमारी client वही है.
क्या मैनेजमेंट देखो हम 8 महीने से आपके साथ 6 महीना काम कर रहे हैं सो ट्राई टू हम बाकी चीजों में आपका फायदा करा के देखें रात से नशा
Yes, coming to that, to be an event manager, you need to be emotionally charged, ready to like just get set go anytime.
yeah
How do you balance this since one of you is a mother, you're married and into household stuff? How do you balance everything?
So for me, like from before I got married, so my parents, my mom especially, she was very keen that you take up this profession and it's very good. So all thanks to my mother for giving me a head start to it. And after marriage, so we have a lot of responsibilities after marriage, being in a Marwari society.
Yeah.
So, but my husband and my extended family, they are a lot of support. They are like, "Okay, nahi, too late." Like if and I'll be thinking about overload हो गया, actually क्या करें? But our family is always like,
Yeah.
"Hey, take more events, do it."
Agree.
So it's their support that we are doing this, and of course, since we are managers, we will manage it.
But women are multitasking. So for me also it was very much hustling because I was plus as she's in a joint family, I was in a nuclear. So I'm still in nuclear. So nuclear family, mein again, with a kid, with her hustling. So I was always hustling. But of course, she said, my mother-in-law, my mom, my husband, they were always there. You know, मैं उनको सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोलती हूँ, सिर्फ साल के 6 महीने मुझे दे दो.
हाँ.
Only 6 months.
Because
मेरे
that's
को
a
कुछ
peak season.
expectation मत करना, बस 6 months दे दो, because that's a different load. But they all are there with me.
Yeah.
And बोलते हैं ना, जब when I had a kid, she got married. So there were people who used to tell us कि क्या करने का है, family only. There were people who used to tell us कि बच्चा कर रहे हो तो पहले just do this, do
Yeah.
wedding and
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
But why? I don't understand. Why can't we think that way? A woman can do everything. If she's a multitasking, she can handle the career, she can handle her work, she can handle the kid as well, and that's what we are doing.
And I think to get calls, you know.
Yeah.
We used to get calls, people saying कि अभी तक कर रहे हो क्या बेटा, अभी तक कर रहे हो. Yes, हम कर रहे हैं, we are
And
pursuing.
then I was like, we were very proud that we didn't listen to anyone.
Yeah.
See, it is always a difficult thing. We will not say it's everything is
Yeah.
difficult to होना ही है. But how you get into, how will it clear everything, that's important. So family, that's what I'm saying. Family is the most important. Like, बच्चे को संभालने के पूरा kingdom करना है.
Yes.
That's how it's for me.
Yeah.
Even the nuclear, at least my parents, my mother-in-law, and everybody used to come and help me out in all this thing. It's not like I've kept a nanny for my baby. Nothing else. It was me and my family, my husband. They used to be
Super supportive.
yeah, 100%.
You have a great
So
support.
never to complain.
So not really.
Not really. Like
Even
we
in
were
my
taking,
pregnancy, I was working,
yeah. So
She
you were
was-
taking less events,
Yeah.
but we were doing.
doing it.
That's how we manage.
yeah, the
Because once you take a break, it's very difficult to start off
Yeah.
again.
correct. In like when she was getting married and I was having a baby and all. So we had taken events. It's not like you're not taking. तब हमारी दोनों की मॉम बोलती थी, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
Why are you doing
You
this?
are getting married.
Yeah.
How planning is Feb.
And
December we had
doing
5-6
weddings.
weddings. And my baby was 3 months old.
Yeah.
So this is how it was. But we passed through it and
But now we laugh about it.
We laugh.
We really enjoy that what we did. तभी हमको बहुत stress था, but today we laugh about it.
yeah, and there are people like we are so proud of your friends, of family.
Yeah.
They now say, good, you did not leave your work.
Yeah.
There are people who motivate also. So we are happy.
So every event has a story. What's the one that you will never forget and why?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is quite funny actually. It's one of like, so you see, our faces are always like we are always laughing. But जो पीछे कुछ भी minute, technical error या ये सब आता है, so it's very stressful. So this one संगीत that we did. So it was on the third floor and we had our own LED technical पूरा हमारा था. So इतनी ज़्यादा हवा थी, it was by the sea.
Act of God.
So during the act of God, the LED fell.
Luckily,
Touch wood,
we are
there is
everybody.
no person who got hurt. But
In the middle of the Sangeet?
no, before.
Just 1.5 hour back, we just have time of 1 hour
To fix
to
it,
fix it, which
And-
is very less.
and the client didn't know about it. So we were all like जल्दी से ऊपर करते हैं, but still we had the stress कि वापस हवा आ सकती है, वापस ये चीज हो सकती है. So during the entry, and we wanted to do a split LED entry when the LED is already a problem.
Imagine there are 20 people behind the LED
You
screen.
might see 30 and
Hold.
जो भी plants हमको देखे, that also was a support.
Because
जो भी
we had to give
support
that
we find. Yeah. So there were 20 people holding the LED when the entry was happening, and we were praying to God with crossed fingers कि कुछ नहीं हो, and everything went flawlessly, and
Yeah.
पूरा संगीत went very nicely.
So in events, no, basically, she is the calm one. I am the hyper. अरे बेबी क्या कर रही है? Oh, chill हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? And I always try to, find out ways that it can happen. Like, of course, she also finds, but in a calmer way. And I'm like, I cannot sit. I cannot sit.
So I'm very calm because also my team, they will also tell us that, मैम आपको पता है नहीं हो रहा, हाँ हो रहा है.
Suppose a combination partner, this sort of element, one can be hyper, one has to be calm.
Yeah.
Both
So
cannot
these
be
are
same.
always perfect when we try.
Correct.
So how do you build that trust with clients?
So trust, so in our field, we normally get clients from references.
Yeah.
And also in our first meeting, we try to, since we know कि आपके ये events हैं, we try to have our brains very in a creative way.
Yeah.
कि आपको
We are ready,
themes ही-
pre-planned, we are ready.
Yeah, कि आपको themes ही अलग मिले हमारे
हाँ.
पास. So we make such PPT कि first impression जो हमारा हो, the first meeting, we try to blow it up in a very
Yeah.
nice way.
Like
So
with the
that
proper presentation and everything, so that they are also impressed.
So
Because
the
first
trust
impression is the last impression.
Yeah.
And trust to eventually कैसे reference से आता है ना, इनकी जाती है. Then
Yes.
when we meet, no, उनको already पता है, अरे आपने इसकी भी की,
इसकी की
आप
है,
इसकी भी
इसकी
की.
है.
So there are a lot of reference. So they
Yeah,
already
they-
know us. That's
Yeah.
it. Now, in fact, few weddings we have got from Instagram. Literally no connection, and we have got it a year back. And
Instagram is
it's
not
not
just this, you can see.
yeah, and it's not just Apna Marwari and Jain Samaj and all, but other communities are also we have done.
Yeah, we've done Bengali,
Yeah.
like Marathi, and quite a lot of other
Like,
castes.
yeah, so we have quite done that. Sindhi also.
Yeah,
recently.
Sindhi, Punjabi.
So few weddings which are coming on Instagram, I was like, yeah, and Instagram is also giving us a good business.
Yeah.
And the trust, getting on Instagram is a big thing. Reference and आपको जो आएगा वो तो आपका अच्छा ही होना है.
Yeah.
वो trust आना ही है.
And we show our work also, what we
Yeah.
done. So the trust eventually it builds up. That's it. But the first impression is a must.
But also competition in this.
Very much.
Oh, it's insane. Nowadays there are so many new companies coming up. And so when we started, it was very new. Like,
Correct.
there were only a few companies into it, but nowadays there are a lot of people who want to become event planners.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of competition,
competition.
but you always have to excel at what you do the best.
Correct.
That's how we improve.
So for those planning to break into event management, what's the one myth you'd like to bust about this industry?
So event
हाँ.
planning सिर्फ खाना आराम से बैठना ये नहीं है. बहुत हासिल है. बैक हैंडलिंग इज टू मच विच आपको फ्रंट में दिखेगा भी नहीं. स्पेशली क्लाइंट को भी दिखने वाला नहीं है. सो ये आप मत सोचना कि आपको इवेंट प्लानिंग क्या क्या बस मैनेज करना है, बैठना है, लोग हैं काम करने वाले कर लेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है. It's like
Yeah.
too much of mind.
So
You're emotionally,
Yeah.
mentally also involved in it.
yes.
Stressed एंड ऑफ कोर्स सो ये आप सोच के ही चलना कि अगर आपको इस बिजनेस में एंटर करना है
Yeah.
तो आपको मिडनाइट कॉल्स भी उठाने पड़ेंगे.
We attend calls at 3 a.m. in the morning as well.
Yeah.
And
We
we
have
work
worked midnight
midnight
also.
We work, yeah, because our production we have to be.
So there was one
away.
entry which we have done which was aerial entry. जब हमने वो एंट्री की थी आप बोल सकते हैं कोविड के पहले.
Yeah.
तब एरियल एंट्री थी भी नहीं. वो हमारा रातों रात 6 hours to 8 hours into midnight लगा.
You won't
When we
believe
did this
that.
system.
I was literally sitting and painting. She was
Yeah.
literally seeing the rope checking. So,
So
like that.
half कर देते. She's going midnight. I'm going early morning
Yeah.
so that she can also rest. So that's also it's not easy.
And we have a friends and family always saying, यार क्या मस्त profession है,
हाँ.
खाना खाओ, शादी का खाना.
तुम भी आओ कर
And so we are like, it's not about, just enjoying खाना अच्छा मिल रहा है and good venues to see, traveling, but it's more than that.
Correct.
The back end handling, as Rajini said,
It आती है तो.
इनको नहीं आती
ये
है.
ये सो सकती हूँ. ये सो सकती हूँ. मैंने बोला कैसे सो सकती हूँ. मुझे नींद नहीं आती.
So when there's a big budget, what areas do you think should be getting the most investment? Can you tell your preferences?
See, for Marwadis,
Yeah.
first thing is food.
Food.
They will
Food
not
has to
compromise.
be
तो
there.
वो बड़े बजट में भी और ज्यादा elaborate होना है.
Yeah. So like if you go to any Marwadi Gujarati wedding and if you don't find good food, but पूरा तामझाम है, but लोग बोलेंगे
Yeah.
खाना सच्चो नहीं तो कोई करो अच्छा ब्याह भी हुआ.
Right. Second is
So-
the artist.
Yeah.
Because artist is such a thing, they play the best role in your wedding. Because अगर आप musical फेरा करो या आप संगीत के DJ based band करो, if you have a very good budget, your संगीत is going to be like a very good one. नहीं तो artist में थोड़ा invest करना
They
जरूरी
are
है
the
because that's the
life
life,
of
the life of the event.
It gets hyped up automatically.
Yes, and the third you would say decor.
Hmm.
Because the once you enter, what you see is the ambience.
Correct.
The ambience should be set. A very good ambience
Right.
needs to be there to have that extra
Right.
aesthetic in the wedding.
As we
Yeah.
see when we see on the Pinterest,
Yeah.
we see a lot of pictures, but that to execute
Come
it,
to life.
so the budget goes like too much. So
Yeah.
if you have a very good budget, then decor में you can.
Yes, so food, artist, and decor.
Do you think couples nowadays are getting too caught up while following these social media trends?
Yeah.
So yeah, like
So you
any
don't know.
celebrity getting married, be it the Ambanis, Kiara Advani, and all these things, we are prepared with codes. That हमको इसका song चाहिए, हमको इसका step करना है, we want to do this, that, and we try to just explain them in a very subtle way कि आप करो, but try to mark up your own trend.
Correct.
Try to make a new trend.
Even for the songs, as we are choreographers, we are already aware about the songs and
Yeah.
so we help in and out with the songs also. Because see,
Yeah.
go with the song. See, we always tell our client कि picturize करो audience point of view.
Hmm.
Even the choreography used to say कि audience point of view से आप सोचिए
Not
कि-
what you are like.
या कि अगर हम ऑडियंस बैठे हमको कौन सा सॉन्ग पसंद आएगा आपके सिचुएशन के हिसाब से
Yeah.
do that. So then that trust they get it, when we explain them that way, so थोड़ा आ जाता है. And then somewhere the stubborn होने लगता है करना ही है कुछ करने ही चाहिए.
Then we do it. Yeah.
So is the choreography still going on? Yeah, you're still choreographer.
No,
No.
we
We left it in 2024, you
Yeah,
can say,
yeah.
and right now we are focusing only on weddings, and it's good for our growth actually.
correct.
Because where we used to take like 10 to 12 choreographies with events, like
Right.
12 events a season maybe we used to do, and
Now
today
we
we
do
can
25.
pull off like 25
In
weddings.
one season, yeah. So of course, दोनों चीज आप नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर आपको करना है तो आप एक में ज्यादा एक्सेल करो. So we feel excelling in events is much better.
So since you all are focusing solely on weddings since 24, what kind of growth or evolution have you seen in yourself and the brand?
A lot.
Hello. As we told you, when we were able to do 12 weddings, now we do 25.
Plus we do destination. So we
We
have
start with
destinations
destination.
also.
Yeah.
Like a Goa and a lot more. And upcoming also we are getting destinations more. Because nowadays people also want to do a destination wedding.
Yeah.
So we are also up with it. We have a lot of good experience now.
Yeah. Before we used to try to hold that back and try to do
Correct.
things in Bombay. Because as choreographers, 1 month you have to dedicate
Yeah.
to every Sunday.
Yeah.
So we can't move out of the city.
And that is physical. Basically, choreography हो गया आपका पूरा physical work, events हो गया पूरा mental work. So investing
Yeah.
too much for our thing also. It
With
is
our personal lives.
correct.
So that is why it
Yeah.
was like a step back, but in a broader aspect of two steps ahead.
Yeah. But वैसे भी डांस हमारे से निकलने वाला नहीं है.
Yeah, yeah.
वो हमारे में हमेशा रहना ही रहना. Yeah.
So guys, that was Chakshu and Ranchi for us, the owners of Creative Eye Entertainment. You all were great, you all were candid, you all were amazing. We had a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you. We were really very
Yeah, and we were like, this is a very nice thing, which you are doing it.
Like it was the first time I think.
Correct. For the first time, we are also opening up about our journey and all, and it's
Yeah.
really nice for us too.
Just see her notes, huh? Before she came there, she
I don't little bit thing.
No, you don't want to see our notes. You get more pressure.
but we didn't get bored here for sure, so that's
Yeah.
amazing. So guys, wedding season is right around the corner and now you know where to go. Go ahead and plan your unforgettable wedding with them.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for
Thank you.
watching. And for more such podcasts, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.